Hello guys, I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. So I hope keep on all of you keep on practicing and keep on growing, right? So in today's session we are going to discuss very important topic, logical operator and conditional construct. So guys, आपको ही पता लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हम कंडीशनल कंस्ट्रक्ट इफ एल्स के साथ ही यूज करते हैं मोस्ट प्रोबेबली राइट लाइक नॉर्मली लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर आपने एक्सेल में भी देखा था एंड और नॉट राइट बट हियर in Power BI you are going to see and or in not in right. So let's see how we go for. So first of all we are going to conditional construct if else. So if else, what is if else? If else क्या होता है? If else once condition true then it will go to the if block, once condition false it will go to the else block. मैंने आप लोगों को एक्सेल में भी पहले ऑलरेडी मैं पढ़ा चुका हूँ राइट, जिसमें आपने स्टूडेंट के परसेंटेज चेक किया था. A percentage greater than 50, right? You are pass, otherwise fail, right? So we discuss various kinds of condition format on that, right? So आप इसमें कैसे बनाएंगे? Then we are going to see here. But here and or there's a difference here, guys. We're going to understand. Like once you're taking and A and D here, then it will take two parameters. But I want multiple parameters, right? So how can you go for this? Like here, I want to show you on the notepad. So logical operator, conditional construct, and logical operator. Okay. So conditional construct basically if then condition, right? So once condition true, go to the if block, otherwise go to the else block. Okay. After then we are going for logical operator here. तो लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर आप चेक करते हैं and so once you're writing A and D alphabets, okay, so in that case once I'm writing A and D, we can select only two parameter, okay. Even if I'm using or, so or I can also choose, we can select only two parameter in or also once you're writing or, okay, clear. Same as we going for and or here, there no not, you have to use in basically return the list of the values, in keyword, in operator return the list of the value. Like suppose like where is a country in, so I want to make a list of the country, city or any specific one. In that case you're going to use the in. So and when we are going to use and कब आप यूज करते हैं and multiple condition should be true. and में आपकी multiple condition true होने चाहिए. जैसे मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ कि स्टूडेंट मार्क्स इज सेम 1 ग्रेटर देन 50, मैं मार्क्स चेक कर सकता हूँ. मैं परसेंटेज इफ स्टूडेंट सेम 1 percentage greater than 50, same 2 greater than 50, same 3. Another example, आप देख जैसे आप इंटरव्यू के लिए गए, वहां पे क्राइटेरिया है, देयर इज 3 राउंड इन इंटरव्यू. सो आपको टेस्ट 1, वहां पे 3 टेस्ट होते हैं, 3 राउंड. टेस्ट 1 ग्रेटर देन 75, टेस्ट 2 ग्रेटर देन 75, टेस्ट 3 ग्रेटर देन 75. अगर आपके तीनों में ग्रेटर देन 75 आते हैं, देन यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर द selection, otherwise you will reject. So and operator always evaluate multiple conditions should be true. Just like technical example, your Gmail account. In Gmail account, you can see you have to put your email ID and password. Otherwise, it will not going to work, right? Or it is optional. Both of anyone you can use in the or. So in that case, you are going to use or. Like you can say if test 1 greater than 75 or test 2 greater than 75, both of anyone even less than 75, then it will also going to consider in or. Just like Instagram, Facebook, you can see Facebook, email or phone number, both of anyone you can use, right? But in Gmail account, there is no way except you have to put email and password. Clear? Not as you know, not like we discussed, not always work in the reverse order, opposite of this, right? Suppose if a student percentage is greater than 50, so pass, but not going to make fail who greater than 50, just opposite. Okay. Now, if I want multiple parameter, then we have to use index function. Index function we have to use. Once you want multiple parameters, so index power bi, we are going to use like a multiple. This is and ampersand. We have to use. So once you use ampersand, and we can select multiple parameters. Multiple parameters. Okay. Even or, so or represent like this. This is called double state pipeline. ओके. जो इसमें जावा, जो स्टूडेंट जावा पढ़े होंगे, जो स्टूडेंट सी सी प्लस प्लस पढ़े होंगे, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस, जावा स्क्रिप्ट पढ़े होंगे, उनको पता होगा एंड जब भी हम यूज करते हैं जावा में, सी प्लस प्लस में, तो हम एम्पर साइन का यूज करते हैं एंड ऑपरेटर, राइट. और का यूज करते हैं डबल पाइपलाइन, जो यहाँ पे और को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. क्लियर. सो वंस वी नीड अ मल्टीपल पैरामीटर्स इन दैट केस, यहाँ पे आपका इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन बनता है गाइस. आप इंटरव्यूअर आपसे पूछता है कि अगर मैं ए एन डी लिखता हूँ तो इसमें दो ही पैरामीटर्स चूज होते हैं, बट आई हैव मल्टीपल पैरामीटर, आई हैव मोर देन टू पैरामीटर, देन हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन इट. माय पॉइंट. तो आपका सिंपल आंसर ये होगा, once you need a multiple parameter you have to use the ampersand for the and operator, then you can choose the multiple parameters. Clear. Same as or, we can select multiple parameters. Clear. Yes. Sorry. So together we are going to discuss the interview question as well. Now you can see here, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं डेटा सेट पे हम आगे डेटा ऑलरेडी लोड कर रखे हैं. न्यू कॉलम, click on it. Simply want to check if, like see, always read the parameter. स्टूडेंट नॉर्मली मिस्टेक करते हैं कि पैरामीटर को नहीं पढ़ते हैं. ऑलवेज रीड पैरामीटर एंड फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शन. लॉजिक टेस्ट, रिटर्न ट्रू, रिटर्न फॉल्स. चेक वेदर कंडीशन इज मेट, अगर कंडीशन मैच करता है, एंड रिटर्न वन वैल्यू इफ ट्रू एंड अदर वैल्यू इज फॉल्स. राइट. वंस कंडीशन ट्रू, रिटर्न true, otherwise false. Suppose I taking pizza. See, I'm taking a pizza name equals to deluxe. Okay, comma. See, second parameter highlight. So अगर pizza deluxe होता है, so I will love it to eat. I will love to eat. जो भी आप चाहें लिख सकते हैं. Otherwise, don't like. Close the bracket. Enter. You can see. So where is the deluxe pizza? I can see I love to eat. Here you can see deluxe, I love to eat. Rest of I don't like it. आप यहाँ कॉलम में दे सकते हैं. If else, if else, or conditional construct, whatever you like, you can put it here. So this is way you can define the condition, right? This is if else. Another one I want to choose here. Again, new column. And A and D. So logic test, you can see logic test 1, logic test 2. Just now I told you, once you use A and D, we can put only two logic, not more than two that. So see, check whether all arguments are and return true if all arguments are true. तो मैंने अभी आपको क्या बताया थ्योरी पार्ट में कि दोनों इसमें क्या होंगे, आपके सारे कंडीशन ट्रू ही होने चाहिए, तभी जाके कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड होता, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा. सो आई वांट टू टेक लाइक ए पिज्जा प्राइस greater than 10, greater than equals to 10, equals to means exact. Okay, comma, and pizza cells आप जो कंडीशन चाहे रख सकते हैं, greater than equals to, here I am taking 100, मतलब पिज्जा प्राइस ग्रेटर देन 10 हो और सेल्स अमाउंट कितना हो, ग्रेटर देन 100 हो, राइट. देन close the bracket, enter. So you can see by default return true and false. Okay, and operator always return true and false. So as you can see here, who are price greater than 10 and sales amount also greater than 10. So as you can see here, deluxe pizza price here you can see greater than 10, 15 and sales amount greater than 100, 133. So what is it? True. Right, here you can also see Siago pizza, you can see greater than 10, 132. So true, rest of the false. So this one you can use and operator. Okay, you can see. Even if you want, see, you can give the see. Okay, once you come to own and ampersand, then you can put your own message. But by default, and return true and false. Again, right click. I go to a new column or operator or and logic same. So true. Return true if any of the arguments are true and return false if all arguments are false. So again, I take pizza price greater than less than equals to 10 or pizza sells when I given less than equals to 100. Okay. So as you can see, who are not matching, you can see here this one is price less than I check 15 and here less than 100. So what is it? False, the rest of the true. You can say. Same now. Again, I come back. New column. I will check here if see logic test. You can take it here. You can take multiple. Return if and if or like this. True. So check whether condition is met and return one value if true or another value false. If I say pizza price greater than equals to 10 and this one ampersand and pizza sells greater than equals to like a 90 and you can take like this multiple and pizza category equals to veg. You see, now I'm taking multiple condition, that's why I'm using the ampersand. Then I say, okay, so I'm in profit value, otherwise loss, or high or low, whatever you want, profit value, otherwise low value, low amount, whatever you want, you can write. See, here is a greater than 10 and greater than 90. So you can see why, because here whatever the greater than 100, this is deluxe, right? That is why I say veg. If I'm given here non-veg, you can see. So are the non-veg, see deluxe is non-veg profit values. Here you can see Chicago greater than 100. You can see profit value, rest of the low values. Okay. So this is your AND operator. Same way you can use the OR. Here you can change OR for like a C or so double pipeline like this. Double pipeline of shift with shift. Okay, this is where you can see. Okay, so this is where you can use. Okay, so this is your operators and operators like this and or. Okay, so this is where you can use it. And next, so that's it for this video. In next video, we are going to see the concatenation and rest of. So please keep on practicing, guys. Thank you so much.